What's up, everybody? It's me. What's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy. Well, whatever. I'm Wolfie here, and sadly, we're not with. Sadly, we're not with. What you call it? I don't know this dude. I'm just kidding. Sadly, we're not with Warrior. He went to his aunt's house, but we can make our videos ourselves. So no. So what we're gonna do? Wait. Hold up. Okay, never mind. And this here, as you can see, we are playing Happy Words. Happy Wheels, Happy Words. Angry Birds, the opposite of Happy Birds. Not even a thing, so don't even follow. Anyways, we are going to play this. So this is my first time playing. Whatever. This is my first time playing this game, and I have no idea what we're doing. But I've watched a whole bunch of YouTubers play it, so why not record? And sorry if you hear background stuff. Woo! Oh. Nothing. Okay, maybe it did. Someday I'll be I'll be recording with my cousin and, well, Matthew / Warrior, my cousin. But, well, I have another cousin. Yeah. You know that. You knew that. Well, I have another cousin, and we might play with him or her again, or my sister. Well, it depends if she wants to. Wait, I really got into it. Anyways. Ooh. Yay, I love him. He's my favorite one in the world. Just kidding. Oh, I'm just kidding. Wait. I like the bomb. And the one that poops out Alex. I forgot his name. What is this like? What do you call it? What is this like? I don't know. I like how on the top left it like shows the big of them. It's cool. How come it's like red and blue, but then after it's like Chuck? What? I'm sorry if I have a little bit of I'm not going to be able to record. Well, I can't record tomorrow all the way till Wednesday. Because I'm going to my father's house. There's going to be a whole bunch of noise and be like, Oh, because of the question and everything. So, I'm recording now. And sorry if my screen messed up on YouTube. I'm not sure. I'll check next time. And I'm going to see how much subscribers we have. Probably none. Oh, I'm so tired. Ain't stopping me. That was an epic fail. But that was my twin brother. I actually don't have a twin brother. But that was my twin brother anyways. Okay, so 2. See at the, right here is funny at the top. Oh, and tell me what other free games that you want me to play in the comments if you're actually watching this video. But, well, you're probably not going to be watching this video. But anyway, if you are, tell me what game you want me to play, but it has to be free because I don't have a job. I am 10 years old. I don't have a job. But anyways, who says a 10-year-old can't be a YouTuber? Anyways, I mean, Glitching Gaming. Think about him. He's like 12 or 13. That's close to 10. You can't lie. It's close to 10. So, and think of Chase from FGTeeV, Skylander, Boy and Girl, or Funnel Vision. Chase. But oh, that's I'm gonna just call him Chuck Norris. Close it. Whatever. He's blinking at the girls. Well, let's see. Oh, I got it. Level 7 I might end the video. So how you guys doing? I might do a vlog. But if you guys want me to do a vlog, give this video like 1 million likes. But Well, I just want a whole bunch of likes. I don't even you see this thing right here. See that wait, hold up. He ends up having bandages and all these cuts and everything. But then flying over, sent him flying over space. Over space. No, since you take, no, didn't one.